Hello friends, take 1 pound or about 500 grams of ground beef, crack in 1 egg, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Take 3 slices of bread and tear them into small pieces into a bowl. In the past, nothing in the kitchen was wasted. Stale bread was softened and used to make meals heartier and more tender. Pour about 3 ounces or 90 milliliters of milk over the bread. Mash it with a fork until it is soft. This will help keep the meat juicy and light after baking. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state. Add it to the ground beef. Stir everything together. Finely chop 1 onion. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Heat a little olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the onion and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. The moment onions start to sizzle, the kitchen fills with that familiar aroma of home-cooked meals. It's a scent that always means something comforting is on the way. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. Take 1 carrot and grate it finely. Carrots add a gentle sweetness and are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A, wonderful for vision and immunity. Friends, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this. Add it to the onions and sauté for 2 minutes. Take 2 cloves of garlic, grate them on a mini grater. Garlic is one of those ingredients that instantly transforms a dish. Its warm, rich aroma fills the kitchen the moment it hits the pan. It's also wonderfully healthy, full of natural compounds that support the immune system and does even help fight off colds. I always think of how my grandmother used fresh garlic from her garden. Add to the pan. Fry for 2 more minutes, just until fragrant, then remove from heat. Transfer the mixture from the pan into the bowl with the ground beef. Finally, chop a small bunch of parsley. Parsley not only brightens the dish, but also adds vitamin C and a touch of freshness that balances richer ingredients. Add it in. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands. Hands have always been the best kitchen tool, bringing ingredients together with care. Take 4 large potatoes and cut them into thin circles. Slicing potatoes like this always reminds me of evenings when the whole family helped in the kitchen. Children learning from their mothers, the quiet rhythm of knives on the cutting board. Grease a baking dish with a little olive oil. Arrange the potato slices in an even layer. Shape the beef mixture into patties and place them on top of the potatoes. This step always feels like building something comforting, layer by layer, just like our grandmothers used to do. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Whisk well. Then pour in half a cup, or about 120 milliliters of milk, 1 can of Greek yogurt, mix until smooth. This mixture keeps the dish moist and gives it a soft, creamy finish as it bakes. Pour this mixture over the potatoes and patties. Grate 4 ounces or about 120 grams of cheddar cheese. Cheddar melts beautifully in the oven, forming a golden crust that's both rich and comforting. I love how its nutty flavor balances the sweetness of the vegetables and adds a cozy depth to the whole dish. Sprinkle over the top. Cover the dish with foil and bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. While the main dish is baking, let's prepare a fresh salad. Chop 2 handfuls of arugula. I love using arugula. Its peppery bite wakes up the salad and adds a beautiful freshness that balances richer dishes. Place it in a bowl. Slice 1 red bell pepper into thin strips. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, and their sweetness pairs so well with creamy cheese and tender avocado. Add it in. Slice 1 cucumber into half rings. Cucumber brings that cool crunch that makes every bite refreshing. And add it to the bowl. Cut 1 tomato into small cubes. The tomato adds juiciness, while avocado gives a soft, buttery texture and healthy fats that make the salad satisfying. Add to the bowl. Then dice 1 avocado. Add to the mix. Tear 4 ounces, or about 120 grams, of mozzarella into pieces. Fresh mozzarella adds that creamy, delicate finish. For the dressing, take a small bowl and combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Pour over the salad right before serving. Homemade dressings like this were always made fresh. Just a few ingredients whisked together moments before the meal. Take the baked potatoes and beef patties out of the oven. The golden crust, the rich aroma. This is the kind of dish that gathers the whole family around the table without a single word. Serve the patties with the tender potatoes and fresh salad. Simple, nourishing, and made with love. Just like the meals that filled our family tables for generations. Thank you for cooking with me today. I hope this recipe brings the same joy and warmth to your kitchen as it does to mine. Until next time, happy cooking!